let's play a game of fetch. I will throw this stick very far away, and you will get it and return it back to me. You ready? Fetch! Hero, you're supposed to get the stick. Ow! That's weird. Sticks don't fly. Come on, guys, let's have a look. There's nothing here. It's a monkey. I wonder how it got here. You know what we should do? Let's make a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Now hold still, monkey. Hi, Katie. Did you find anything?
You're just in time, brother. The computer is looking for information about the monkey. Bingo! This monkey is a macaque.
A macaque?
Yes, a macaque. A macaque is a type of monkey, and the monkey you found is a crab-eating macaque.
I guess there must be a lot of crabs to eat.
Not really. Crab-eating macaques actually don't eat that much crabs. It's an omnivore, so it can eat different types of plants and small animals.
Where does it come from?
Crab-eating macaques live in different countries in Southeast Asia. The macaque you found comes from this place.
I think the macaque got lost. We should bring it back to its family. Come and join us.
That's a great idea, Leo. See you downstairs.
Come on, everybody. Join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go for lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody. Join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn for lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go for lots of fun and lots to learn. Oh no, there were too many trees here. It's impossible to walk. Wait, where are you going? We can't climb like that.
He's gone.
What is it, Hero? Stairs? Let's go up and have a look.
Hey, this monkey is also a macaque, but this one is much bigger.
Whoa! What are you doing? Were you looking for this? If you give me the binoculars, I will give you this banana.
What is it, Hero? A sign? I think it means we cannot give the monkeys food. It says that they have to find their own food, or else they might bother us and try to steal our things.
Oh dear.
Careful, Leo. Do not smile with your teeth showing, because the macaques will see that as a sign of aggression.
Oops, time to leave. Everybody, let's fly. I think we should look for another group of macaques for you. These macaques weren't so nice. We did it! We found a group of macaques for our new friend. Great work, everyone!
Yay!
We found a macaque in our garden.
We learned that a macaque is a monkey.
We went to the rainforest and found a group of other macaques it can live with.
Good job, children. You did it. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
Leo. I am a junior ranger, and this is my puppy, Hero. Do you want to play a game, Hero? Great. Let's see who can jump the highest on this trampoline. I'll show you. All you have to do is jump as high as you can, like this. Ta-da! Now it's your turn, Hero. Very good, Hero. Woohoo! Wow! Hey, I think it's a baby otter. I wonder how it got here. You know what we should do? Let's make a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Hold still, little one. Hi, Katie. Did you find anything?
You're just in time, Leo. The computer is looking for information about the otter as we speak. There you go. This little one is a smooth-coated otter.
So, it has a smooth coat?
Yes, that's exactly how it gets its name. A smooth-coated otter is a type of otter that has shorter and smoother fur. They also have a rounder head and a hairless nose that looks quite like the shape of a diamond.
Where do they come from?
Smooth-coated otters live in different countries in Southeast Asia. The one you found comes from this place.
Cool! I wonder what kind of food it eats.
Smooth-coated otters usually eat plenty of fish, but it's an omnivore, which means it can eat different types of plants and small animals too.
I'm afraid it won't find all that food here. We should bring it back to its family. Come and join us.
Great idea, Leo. I'm sure the baby otter would love that. See you downstairs.
Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go for lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn for lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go for lots of fun and lots to learn.
It looks like the only way to get to that river is to cross this one.
No problem. Come on, everyone.
Thanks, Leo. Now we can get to the other side in no time.
That's right, little guy. We're gonna find your family very soon.
Look, we're getting closer.
What's the matter, Hero? Oh no, the little guy's in danger. We have to save it from those crocodiles. Katie, take the wheel. I got you two. They're still chasing us. We'll have to go faster.
Leave it to me.
Watch out for those rocks, Katie. chasing us anymore.
Excellent!
We did it! We found the baby otter's family. Great work, everyone! Hooray! Today, we found a baby smooth-coated otter in our garden.
We learned that the smooth-coated otter lives in places with lots of fresh water and greenery.
So we went to a river by the forest and found its family.
Good job, children. You did it.
Leo, I am a junior ranger, and now I'm also a knight. Hero, I need your help defeating this imaginary monster. Here, take that, and that, and that. Ah, he's getting away. After it. Whoa! Watch your step, Hero. What's that? Be on guard, Hero. It could be a dragon. You know what we should do? Let's make a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Hi, Katie. So, is it a dragon I found?
Hey, Leo. No, you didn't find a dragon. You found a young pangolin.
A pangolin?
Yes, there are different types of pangolins, but this one is a Malayan pangolin.
But it looks just like a dragon. It even has armor, just like the one I'm wearing.
Just like your armor, the scales on the pangolin protect it from danger. Pangolins are very shy creatures, so when they're frightened, they curl into a ball and hide.
I must have frightened it when I took pictures of it. So, where do pangolins usually live?
Pangolins live in Asia and Africa. The one you found comes from Southeast Asia. Adult pangolins like to live alone, but mother pangolins will stay and protect their children until they know how to protect themselves.
Then our young pangolin must be lost. We must bring him back home to his mother. Come and join us.
That's a great idea, Leo. See you downstairs.
Come on, everybody. Join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go. For lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody. Join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn. For lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go. For lots of fun and lots to learn. It looks like we're in the jungle. Let's see what we can find. Here's a hollow in a tree. And on this side is a large cave next to a few trees. Do you know where we should go? Over there is a hollow in a tree. And over there is a cave next to a few trees. So where should we go? There? That's right. We need to head towards the hollow because Malayan pangolins live in trees. Let's go.
What's that?
It's the tiger! Ah!
The pangolin is protecting itself by curling into a ball and rolling away.
Quickly, let's follow it.
Oh no! A log is in our way. monkey.
Come, Junior Rangers, let's go. Not you, Tiger.
We did it! The pangolin found his mom.
Yay! Today, we found a young Malayan pangolin in our garden.
We learned that pangolins live underground and in hollows in trees.
So we went to the jungle and brought the young pangolin safely home.
Good job, children. You did it. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
It's a bee. Careful, Hero. Keep a safe distance. The bee is collecting nectar from the flowers. Let's find out why. The bees collect the nectar and return to the beehive to make honey. What was that? It's a small bear. I wonder how it got here. You know what we should do? Let's take a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Now hold still, little bear. Hi, Katie. Did you find anything?
You're just in time, Leo. The computer is almost done. This animal is a sun bear. It's also known as a honey bear because it loves to eat honey.
So it was trying to steal honey from the beehive. But why is it called a sun bear?
The name sun bear is because of the golden-colored crescent shape on its chest. All sun bears have it. You can find sun bears in the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia and other parts of Asia.
So other than honey, what do sun bears eat?
Sun bears eat both plants and small animals. They eat insects such as bees, termites, and ants, as well as small birds and lizards. They have big claws, which they use to rip open trees and termite nests. The sun bear you found is very young. Normally, sun bears stay with their mothers for 3 to 4 years.
Well, I think we should help little sun bear find his mother back in the rainforest. Come and join us.
That's a great idea, Leo. See you downstairs.
Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go for lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn for lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go for lots of fun and lots to learn. What's the matter, guys? Why did you stop?
It seems like they don't want to go into that direction.
If we want to find the sun bear's mother, we have to continue. Let's go.
Oh, what's that smell?
Yuck, I smell it too. What is it, Hero? A flower? I think the smell is coming from this.
This is a rafflesia flower. They are one of the largest known flowers in the world.
So why are there flies?
The rafflesia flower releases a bad smell to attract flies to spread its pollen.
That's very interesting, Katie. But let's not stand too close to them. Quickly, let's go.
The sun bear and Hero tried to warn us. Both of them have a very strong sense of smell. It still smells horribly here.
Oh no, so many rafflesia flowers. Ah! follow them. Their noses can help us find a way out. We'd better stay here, little Sun Bear. It's up to you now. We did it! We found the Sun Bear's mother! Great work, everyone!
Hooray!
We found a young sun bear in our garden.
We learned that a sun bear is the smallest of all bears, but they can be very dangerous.
The young sun bear needed his mother, so we went to the forest and returned him home.
Good job, children. You did it.